everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Dimma here. Today's video is one that I owe you guys. Like, I've been owing you guys this video for a very long time, and it's my top 5 favorite pink lipsticks. Guys, it's not easy in my opinion to come across pink lip colors that look great on people our skin tone. Okay, when a lot of these brands make pink lip colors, I feel like they make them for people who have lighter skin tones. Like, they have those people in mind when they create a lot of pink lip colors. So whenever I find any pink that works for me, I just hold on to it. I just hold it to my chest. So I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite 5 in this video. It took me a while finally doing it, okay? This video is going to be short and straight to the point, okay? Okay, so I have the lip colors here. Going to show you guys one by one and tell you guys why I love each and every one of them. The first lip color on my list is this one, and it's from ColourPop. Every single top 5 video that I've done on this channel so far for lip colors, yeah, I always have a ColourPop lip product in there, and it's because their lip products are really good. So the first one is a ColourPop Lippie Sticks, and this one is in the shade Mirror Mirror. It's a very dark pink magenta. I got this last year, and guys, I absolutely love this. I'm swatching it now so that you guys can see. It has a matte finish, but not the type of dry matte finish that you get with liquid lipsticks. This has more of like a demi matte, blendable, kind of hydrating as well, moisturizing, I would say, finish to it. It sells for $5. ColourPop delivers to Nigeria. I've said this several times on this channel. Let me actually swatch it here so that you guys can see. This is one swipe. Can you guys see? And you can just keep adding to make it darker if you want. But one swipe, you guys can see how pigmented it is. This is such a gorgeous lip color. I went on their website to look for this just to confirm if they still sell it, because I got this last year and I couldn't find it. But then I don't want anybody to worry, because the thing about ColourPop is that they're kind of like MAC in the sense that they tend to bring back lip colors like once in a while. Maybe with a new collection, they can just randomly bring lip colors back. I don't know the reason why they discontinued this, if they discontinued it, but this is such a gorgeous pink lip color. So if you're looking for something that is this bright and pigmented, definitely try this. So the next lip color on my list is a lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their lip gloss in Weekend Barbie. It looks like this. This is a bright magenta pink, brighter than the first lip color that I just showed you guys, and it is my favorite lip gloss of all time. Okay, you can wear this alone or you can wear it over a lipstick. It is moisturizing. It does not like clump or cake. You know how some lip glosses tend to start clumping together? It does not do that. This is really good, and it's very pigmented. This thing is pigmented enough for you to just wear it on its own. I don't know if you guys can see. It has bits of shimmer in it. It smells really good. The thing is that I don't know, for some reason you can't find this on AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. I think that's their website. You can't find it on the American site, but this, you can get this from the UK website. So if you want to get this particular lip color, you can get it from the UK site. It's such a gorgeous pink, like bubblegum magenta pink. I love it, honestly, you know. And most times when I wear this, I don't even wear anything underneath. I just line my lips a little bit and I use this. It's really good. Next on my list, I have a patent polish lip pencil by MAC, okay? This one has been discontinued, I believe, this particular shade. This isn't your regular pink. The reason I got this when I got it is that it reminded me so much of like a very pale lilac. But then under certain lighting, it looks really like a very light baby pink, if that makes any sense. But this is so gorgeous. I like it. It's moisturizing, it's hydrating. It almost feels like a lip balm on your lips. It doesn't dry your lips out. It doesn't sit like or sink into the cracks that you have on your lips. It's really good. It's one of the more expensive lip colors that I have on this list. It sells for $21, but I just really like this, and I just like to apply this on the center of my lips. I don't apply all over. I line my lips with a nice like darker lip pencil, and then I apply this right on the center of my lips. It looks really good. It doesn't have any kind of distinct smell to it, but I don't know why MAC discontinued this color. I don't know why. I'm putting it out here because MAC tends to do this thing where they bring certain colors back with certain collections. I don't really keep up with MAC collections anymore like I used to in the past, but maybe they might release this with a new collection, so just look out for it. Every time you see like a patent polish lip pencil, try and see if it is in the shade patent pink, okay? It's shaped like a pencil, but then you don't have to sharpen or anything. You just do this and the lip color comes up. The last 2 lip colors I have here, I got recently. Been using them for about 2 months now, and the first one is from Huda Beauty. This is their liquid lipstick. This is one of the demi matte ones, and this particular shade is in Lady Boss. I would describe this as a dark warm pink. Okay, let me show you guys. Can you guys see? It's really dark, but then it's not bright. It doesn't have that kick that most pink lip colors that come this dark have. I think that I'm rambling at this point, but I'm trying to find a way to describe this. This is like a very berry pink. Okay, it's like a dark berry pink, if that makes sense. So it's not magenta, it's not fuchsia, it's more of like a dark berry pink, and it doesn't dry your lips out. It has a demi matte finish, so what that means is that, you know, it's pigmented and all of that, but then it never dries down like matte like most liquid lipsticks do. If you line this with a nice like wine colored lip pencil, it looks really, really good. So this is Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in Lady Boss. So the last lip color, which is my absolute favorite at the moment, is from Sigma. Who would have thought? Like, I love Sigma brushes. I use their brushes all the time, but I don't really think that I have anything that I would actually call a favorite. Okay, they have this eyeliner that is really good, but then I don't think that I have anything from the brand that I would consider a favorite. This is my current favorite. I just randomly grabbed this and applied it sometime last month, and I was like, ooh, how did I not know that this is this good? So it's the Sigma Creme de Couture. I think that this collection is called liquid lipstick, and this one is in Foxglove. Guys, this is the most gorgeous magenta lip color that I have tried in my life. Okay, let me swatch it real quick so that you guys can see. And the thing about it is that it's a matte liquid lipstick, but then it's not. You know that there are some matte liquid lipsticks that when you're applying them, you have to work extremely fast because they're literally drying as you apply. This one is not like that. The consistency is thick, but then not the bad type of thick. Not thick that you can't layer it properly. Because one thing with some liquid lipsticks, especially the ones that come thick, is that they make layering so difficult, because by the time you're done with one layer, you have a lot on your lips that putting another layer just leads to cracking. This one is not like that. It has a very thick lip glossy texture to it. Does that make sense? So it's not this liquid powdery formula that some liquid lipsticks come in. This one is slightly waxy, just like a lip gloss. I think that I'm just messing words up at this point, but if you guys get what I'm saying, like it applies more like a lip gloss and then dries down matte to like a liquid lipstick. It's really good. It's not drying at all. It dries down matte, but it's not drying. It doesn't sink into your lips and settle into the cracks or the lines. No, it's really, really, really good. It's a nice magenta pink, and it does not have any type of distinct smell to it. I lined my lips with a dark wine lip pencil, and you guys can see how it looks. I really like this lip color. It's my current favorite pink. This sells for $10.50. Sigma delivers to Nigeria. I have a code with them. If you use the code Dimma, you're going to get some money off your order. This code is always in the description box, and I always say this in any video that I talk about a Sigma product. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to leave all the details that you would need in the description box, so please check there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.